Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in renewable energy sentiment, with a score of plus 0.73. This is significant when you consider that it's well above the historical baseline, indicating a strong positive shift in public perception. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.26, this surge suggests that the enthusiasm isn't just a flash in the pan, it's building. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights, including semantic clusters, that help you understand the underlying themes driving this sentiment. For instance, you could leverage this data to optimize your marketing strategy for a new green tech product by aligning your messaging with current public interests. If you want to dive deeper into this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.